Hi, I'm Paul.
Hi, I am Fern.
Slut.
Sometimes.
You won't be seeing Nick in the videos anymore. We might find someone to replace him, maybe.
Because of personal issues that we don't want to talk about. But anyway, here's a somewhat funny video. Here you go, guys. Watch this. Falcon Punch!
Today we're making a special spread for a sandwich.
Drinking chocolate.
An egg.
Weet-Bix.
Peanut butter. 2 slices of bread.
Okay, so now we're going to mix all the stuff, all the spread stuff, into this bowl.
Firstly, add the drinking chocolate. Don't be greedy and put too much in, just little scoops. There we go.
Not much at all.
Now gently crack the egg. Perfect.
Now you have to scrunch this up. Be careful, you don't want it to go everywhere, okay? High five! Now that you see some of the chocolate has mixed in with this, it's all perfect. It's how we wanted it, okay? Nice to meet you!
Same!
Oh! Oh!
I just want to lick that.
It feels so awkward. Now, for the peanut butter, we are not being sponsored by Kraft. We want a big, huge scoop. What are you doing? You're supposed to be cooking. Do that in your own time.
Sorry.
We want a big scoop, okay? Make sure you get a big, huge, fat, slimy amount. Get in! Extreme mixing time!
That is it.
Ooh, what does that look like to you?
Chocolate fudge.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Now you got to spread it on each side of the bread evenly.
It looks like Nutella. Last little bit. There we go. And now for a taste test.
What's it taste like, Paul?
Horribleness.
Does it taste like unicorns, rainbows, and orphan tears? Would you recommend it? You have a big chunk coming from your nose. Lean down. Look, there's a big chunk in your hair. As per usual.
Can you please get it off me now?
Bye, guys. Oh shit, he's chasing me. Fuck. Oh! Run!